Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox, honestly, it is my personal favorite casting in this particular case, which is the B case. The moment I saw this casting, last year when they actually announced it, I was like, I really need to get my hands on this particular casting. So which is this one. So the Mazda MX-5 Miata, and this looks so awesome inside the box. So and I mean, the moment I saw this, I was like, okay, without any hesitation, I just took it because I was waiting for this casting for so long. The moment they announced it, I was like, okay, let's wait till this casting comes to India. But unfortunately, till now, it didn't reach India. But luckily, I was able to. I got the chance to go to Malaysia, and I was able to get it from there. So let's unbox this without any further ado. Okay, here it is. Honestly, this casting, the reason I bought this casting, this is one of that specific set of castings, which they release in multiples in same box, but a lot of people are not going to show that much of interest, which went with the custom camera during 2023. So only few people like me, we adored that casting because it looked so amazing, and so I used to keep that on my bedroom, behind my head. So okay, so the first impressions of this casting, okay, the paint job looks absolutely awesome. And okay, so this entire part is actually plastic. Okay, so it does have some, I don't know if it is scratch or looks like a scratch. I don't know, something. So there is one, so far we found only one issue. And you can see the detailing on the front here, which looks so nice. That is really awesome. You can see the headlights, pop-up headlights here. I really wish they painted a little bit here. I don't see any paint job here. So it does have rear view mirrors, which is here, and the body looks, I mean, the fenders and everything looks really amazing. And it does have tail light details here, which is painted on. So this part here, it's fully plastic or fiber, you can say, and the body is metal. So chassis is fully plastic. It doesn't have any details on the chassis, like bottom of the chassis. So the rims looks really nice. Actually, it suits this particular casting very well. This looks so cool. You can see the interior details here, which is really nice. Okay, so this part here, that this is actually plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It feels really light. So originally I thought this is going to be a very heavier casting, but it is not a heavy casting. I'm thinking somewhere around 32 grams. Let's see. Okay, 29. It doesn't even reach 30. Okay, but it does looks really gorgeous. If you are able to get this casting, please don't miss it out. Just go ahead and grab it, even if it is only one available. But don't pay more than MRP. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, that is fast actually. 5 out of 5 so far. I don't see any wheel wobble, nothing. It does reach the track, end of the track. Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. So far this is a fifth car which reached the fourth car to reach the end of the track, and fifth car to roll without any wheel wobble or any issue at all. So I'm really happy that I was able to get some castings without much, like I can say, apart from this particular issue, I don't see much of an issue with any of the other casting as well so far. This is going good. Honestly, I'm happy for the first time, from the day I started, doing Hot Wheels videos. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.